This shotgun made me as the Doom name. Doom. And the Doom shotgun is now very goodly and very smoothly. Here's why the build of what I use is fun and is good. Enjoy the video and make sure to subscribe. Doom. Oh, Doom. Oh, fuck. But that guy got more Doom than me. I am doomed. I'm dooming this. I'm on my such a different Korean law. Oh, ah! Yeah, buddy, you cannot take my doom. Yeah, buddy. Oh, wait, there's a grenade. No, wait, what? Did you throw me a grenade? Wait, huh? Oh, that's a thermite. Oh my goodness, if it told me. What the flip? I didn't buy my FOP again because I wanted my FOP again, baby. I am Doom. It's my Doom. Hey, bro. Are you think I am for? You think I am for? You don't know I get the Doom shotgun. Ready? Boink. What the hell am I doing? Oh, what the flip? What the flip is that? What the flip? It just say, It just says, meh. Oh, got you busted. Got you busted. I don't know, I'm right behind him. Oh, I got him. Oh, does that feel good using a shotgun? Jeez. No, I'm trying to load. I'm trying to know what the flip. No, I'm a moron. Nah. Oh, somebody. Let's go. Doom. Subscribe yet? You better be clicking this button. Or not, you're not from the real Typical Gaming subscriber. Bye-bye. Let's go. Doom. I will never do Mahmoud. No. Mahmoud. No, you're gonna face your doom. Yeah. Doom never dies. Well, I forget I got skins. Doom. No! Another fucker! Oh no! What the flip? I clicked the wrong button! No! Okay, guys, oh, yeah, my bad. I was AFK, bro! Bro, I was AFK! I'm an AFK, bro! What the flip, bro? Yeah! Doom got stems, Doom never dies! And Doom got Lord FOV, what the flip? And I got my Doom Max because I am there's Doom not these I changed, so I got mobile please. I done changed that place! Bro, I was saying that I had to change the what the flip?
Team, enemy UAV spotted.
What the flip? Is the enemy UAV? What the flip? Second. What the flip? Wait. There's them. Ah, there was there. I'm deleting my stem, no. Oh wait, this is UAV. This map is good for Doom.
Heads up, enemy UAV spotted.
Ooh, you got shot. I love the R9. One of my favorite is the R9. No, I was doing something. I was appreciating the R9 by doing yang. Na every day. Na every day. We feel like this. Down. Boom. Oh, wait, no. Yeah. Wait, there's my basic attack device ring.
We're losing this fight.
Oh, wait, I want to do this for this. Oh no, wait. I can do a comeback. Turn around. Kidding me, around, G. Nah! I bet the solution is very nice after this. UNG. I got one more kill. Please, don't kill. No, what the fuck? See you in the next one. Alright. We're gonna do another one, but please be a sweaty lobby. Just one sweat lobby. No, what the flip? Okay, we can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Oh, we are 30%. Okay, no. Oh wow, wait, did this rush change or just me? I don't know, maybe rush change or just me? I don't know, maybe the texture changed for me. What will it be in the skies? What? Will it be in the skies? What? Wait, hello? What? Oh, it's up here. No, in the F-16, I stuck back there. No, I get just one pump him. What I'm doing? What the fuck? Boy. I'm doomed.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
What I'm doing? What the fuck? Wait, Wait, that's mine or that's my... I don't know, confusing. Oh, boy. Oh! Never mind, that's loaded thing. Oh, shit, my temper! Grenade! Out! No, what the flip now? I died. You're gonna win this match. Or are you gonna axe him to death? Give me that, give me. Take a bit. No. Not my shotgun. No, what the flip? Okay, table 4. Okay, we're gonna end it up the video to be lost. So we lose. I wanna make No! M16, now what the fuck? Oh my goodness. I'm Doom! I'm doing like the Doom game. Hello, Buster! Oh wait, no. Hello, Buster. GPU, GOVU. I don't know. I should read that name. Planting bomb. Wait, this is not so just destroy for that. Wait. Hey, can I? I throw some stuff No, okay. Never watching the video because I can see everything major. See you next time. Here's how to build. You want to use it. You want it. It's best. It's gonna be the best. Watching the video because I can see how many you want to see more load up video. But sure to like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.